Here's how to add and customize textures on parts in Roblox Studio. Select your part in the workspace. In the Explorer, click the plus icon next to the part and add a texture. In the Properties panel, select which face of the part you want the texture to appear on. To apply a texture, right-click the texture asset you want in the toolbox and copy the asset link. Go to the Color Map Content property of the texture and paste the link with Ctrl-V. The texture will appear on your part, and unlike decals, textures repeat across the surface automatically. You can adjust the transparency to make it more or less visible and change the color to tint the texture. To control how large or small the texture tiles appear, adjust the studs per tile U and studs per tile V values. Higher numbers make the texture bigger, and lower numbers make it smaller. Change the face property anytime to move the texture to a different side of the part. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.